Hi creatives, welcome back to my channel. It's StylebyUcee. In today's video, I'll be showing you one of the most important finishing techniques every fashion designer should master: how to attach a crinoline like a pro. If you want your flare to have that elegant structure knit hemline and a perfect bouncing flare, then this video is for you. Just grab your fabric and let's get started. First thing is to weave the hem of your flare. Get your crinoline and a matching thread for stitching. Next, cut out a tiny piece of fabric into two. You will be needing two of it. Then fold the upper part of the piece with 1/2 inch, then the two sides with 1/2 inch and down part with 1/2 inch, and insert your crinoline in the middle and stitch on it. Next, open the right part of your flare, locate the joining part and place your crinoline there, then stitch all around. Then when you get to the end part of the joining, you are going to cut out the excess crinoline, then cover it with the second piece and stitch it down and continue with your stitching. Next is to separate your crinoline from your make fabric and top stitch on it. Then this is what I have after top stitching, as you can see. So the next thing now is for me to give it a good press. Then for the ironing, I'm going to be ironing this way from the wrong part of the flare, and I will continue to repeat this process till I get to the end of the flare, just like this. Final step, add your hemming gum under it to hold the crinoline and the fabric into place. Then iron. Please ensure to use your steam iron while doing this. And this is what I have after ironing. This is what the flare looks like, and the volume the crinoline added to the flare, as you can see. If you found this video so helpful, please like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, so that YouTube can push my video to other viewers. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.